Hello everyone, my name is Ayir Saleh. Today I will show you how to install Arc GIS 10.5. Before directly going to the installation procedure, first I want to say something about GIS. GIS is an abbreviation which stands for Geographic Information System, which is defined as a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present spatial and geographic data. In addition to this, GIS is an application or a tool which allows the user to create interactive queries, analyze spatial information, edit in map, and present the result of all these operations. To do this, the ESRI or Environmental System Research Institute, which is a supplier for ArcGIS, developed a software which is known as ArcGIS. From the beginning, ArcGIS is started from the very beginning versions, and now it reaches ArcGIS 10.6, 7, or 8 or 9. But for developing worlds, especially for sub-Saharan Africa, ArcGIS 10.5 is very good and can be accessed from the web in the form of crack. So on today's video, I will show you how to install ArcGIS 10.5, which is downloaded from the web in crack form. So let's start from that. Here I have already downloaded the crack of ArcGIS 10.5. So from this, this is the crack one, which is downloaded from web. So first we need to unzip or unpack the zip file, and we can get this listed files or folders. So after getting this, we can right click on the ArcGIS desktop 10.5, right click, and then can click on run as administrator. Then can click on yes, next. There is already a file with the same name in the destination folder. This is only on my case, so I can yes and overwrite. Yes, overwrite. Then it starts or begin to install. So here we need to accept all the license agreement and click on next, 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 and finally make install. So the installing ArcGIS may take a while or may take some minutes. Now the installation process is wound up, but it takes several minutes. It's up 20 to 25 minutes. So finally, we need to click on finish. Then you can click OK and click OK. Then what is next is click on Easy ArcGIS desktop track. Then select 3 of the listed 4 elements here except the readme ones. So after selecting those 3, we click on copy and go to our PC local disk, then program files, then ArcGIS 10.5, then bin, then here you can make paste. After this, click on replace, continue. Do this for all and click on continue. Then finally we can click on exit. So now we have accomplished the installation process of GIS software. So we can use now ArcGIS. ArcGIS 10.5 is displayed here, and we can right click on this and run as administrator. Yes. So it is on opening. So now the software is opened and it is ready to be used for any geographical analysis or statistical analysis. Finally, we can search ArcGIS, click on this and pin to taskbar. Easily find the software on the task here. We can easily access or get the software. So this is all about the way how to install ArcGIS 10.5. The next video will show how to use ArcGIS 10.5 or ArcGIS software for geostatistical analysis. For today, it is all about what I have. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question in doubt, please write your comment. Thank you for watching.